So how about this?
I have a very high tolerance for heat.
So how about this real quick? So the rules for these, right? We drop them in boiling water.
Yes.
Okay. So maybe
we cook them just like a regular ramen.
Okay. So how about this? Do you want to maybe we'll jump into these now?
Yeah, we can
And we'll clear the decks.
Yeah.
And
We'll get into this.
We'll get into these.
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right.
Boom. We've got some noodles. And Thor.
Some noodles.
Okay. Throw them in.
Thor's one of our favorites.
What's that technique? What's that?
Throwing them into boiling water.
Okay.
It's not really a technique.
There's also a wooden spoon there if you need to.
The African sipping spoon.
The African sipping spoon.
That's racist.
We have yet to release that bit. So no one even knows what we're talking about.
The American sipping spoon was one of my favorite non-released episodes.
No, that will be also to highlight a little bit of
what's coming.
What's coming is we will be doing outtakes, bloopers, and commentary.
All right,
and we'll be doing compilations. So there's a whole onslaught.
I'm gonna set a timer for 5 minutes.
Because you would need to.
Yeah, well, it said so.
It says so in the rules.
It said so in the rules. Do we have to do 10 minutes because there's 2 of them, or
no, that's enough.
Do we have to double everything up?
Yeah.
Do we have?
We're going to double up. We're going to double up the pain.
Oh my god, dude, this is going to be fantastic.
There you go. You're so skilled with that. What's that technique called again? That you're doing with the spoon? What tech? Okay. Tell me more. Like, what's that? Like
really
your wrist seems to be like there's like a wrist technique there.
It's not really a technique.
Well, it looks like a technique,
Yeah,
but
it's more of just fanning out the noodles and making sure that they boil properly.
You're so skilled in the kitchen. A lot of people don't know that about Bad Eats. They don't know how skilled Brian is.
I am actually pretty skilled. I took a class in high school.
You did? What high school was that? What high school?
The same one you went to.
Just say the name.
It was Highland.
Oh. There you go. All right. All right, that's good. That's
noodles. This is the
you're so happy.
I am so happy.
So during all of this, we started watching Hateful Eight, and now we're upset that we can't finish watching the movie.
And it started playing. I thought you paused it.
No, I just muted it. Action!
We boiled for 5 minutes.
Look at that skill. What's that technique? No,
Get out some of the. We gotta put it. We gotta please put in eight spoons.
I'm just watching that. There you go. Yeah, put that right in there.
All right. I think there's 8 spoons of water in there.
I think there is. And here's some scissors.
For what?
To cut the pack. Oh, come on!
I was just gonna rip it.
I'm gonna grab that.
Rip it.
Oh, rip it!
Yeah.
But Stingamo!
Let's see what this sauce looks like.
You know what though?
I cut it all the way across.
Before you do that, I might just cut. There you go. Nice.
Look at this. You ready? Ready for the pour?
Yeah, let's do that.
Dude,
that's
look at that stuff.
Molasses.
Oh, look how red it is.
I was going to say.
It looks like blood.
Yo.
That looks like blood. Let's get all of it in there.
That looks scary.
Yeah, we get another one for in. Get like every ounce of it out of it. Oh, dude, it's on my hands.
I was gonna say it's gonna start burning your hand. It's like it's like from the movie Alien. It's a xenomorph blood. Yo, what the heck?
And man, we still have.
There's a lot of your hairs in this episode.
I'm a hairy guy.
Hair are you today?
Dude, it's all over my hands.
I'm just going to stick on this while you get the other 2 packets.
Huh? No, we're gonna.
Oh, those flakes don't go in.
We gotta put them on top.
Okay.
Well, we can put them in, I guess.
Well, I don't know.
We have to saute those for 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Look Look how... Dude, it looks painful already. You are not happy.
I
see your face.
I smell the heat. Like, I smell the spices or whatever's burning off of this.
The spice.
Yeah, the spice melange.
Alright, I think we're good.
Alright.
Now we're gonna put the pepper in the other packets.
Yeah, so let's just go. We'll reset up the camera.
Flakes in. Oh, they're like just sesame seeds. They're not
Okay. Just sesame seeds.
Well, I think it got some spice in it. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, we can put that on top. Look at that. Look how nice that looks.
Yeah, they look good.
I can't do milk, so.
Because you're lactose intolerant. Brian's lactose intolerant. I told you that. I thought you were joking.
I know. You were like, are you really?
I thought Brian was joking about being lactose intolerant.
Yeah, and you were proud of me for not.
Yeah.
Saying I'm lactose intolerant in front of everybody, going, I can't eat things.
Yeah.
Like the gluten-free people.
Yeah, you were a trooper. Yeah, you weren't like the gluten-free people.
Yeah, they just.
Don't worry about what's in my bowl. I'll just take it.
I can't eat gluten. Like, yeah, you can. You don't even know what gluten is.
I don't even know. I can't even tell you. You're so angry.
I'm just angry gluten-free people.
All right, so let's serve this up.
All right, let me see your bowl.
Well, here. Why don't you just bring that right over here? Yeah, pop it right there.
All right. You excited?
You want to get some? You want me to crumble up some of those for us?
Yeah, that'd be nice. And I'm a firm believer in not cutting
Santa Claus.
not cutting my ramen noodles.
Oh, same here.
Yeah, because they made them long for a reason.
You know what my father used to do? My father only makes ramen noodles, eggs, and warm water, and tuna. But
is that his entire diet?
But his trick when he made ramen noodles was he would crumble the packet, and he would just crumble it into it looked almost like cereal because he's got giant hands. and yeah, so that's one of the Tony DeLuca techniques there.
Dude, this looks good. It's on my finger again.
Your fingers go burn.
It's gonna stay.
I'm trying out. I'm trying.
You're trying something.
There you go. Oh, I think you got.
All right, you got it. All right. So we want to just dive into this first, or do we want to put do we just want to go?
I wanted to do this first, and then
All right.
I'm going to add those.
Okay.
Because I want this separate.
Well, you need to try these by themselves.
Some of it's already on my hand.
It's on my hand.
Yeah, I kind of. Well, I'm talking about the.
The chips. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
The pakwa.
You ready? You ready? This is
cheers.
Yeah. Cheers.
Why is yours so small? What?
Not
there
what
you
she
go.
said. Let's let it sit for a second.
Yo.
Yeah, they aren't joking.
Yo.
This is hot.
That's hot.
You know what's nice about it though, is that it has a flavor to it, which is it's nice. Like it's really hot,
It has
but it
a
also
good
has a
texture.
nice flavor.
I like the texture. Yeah.
The ramen is nice and thick. It's good. Holy crap! It's hard to talk about this.
Mm-hmm.
That is no joke. Oh my god.
I'm crying.
Whew, I'm sweating. I can feel it. Yeah, I can feel it sweating. Come on.
Hey, should you that?
Okay, thanks. I'm surprised at how good the flavor is. Like you can actually taste the chicken coming through.
Whoa.
Yeah. Oh my god, the paint is there though. All right, should we go? Those in there?
I don't know.
I'm gonna do it.
I'm on fire.
Yeah. It was a challenge, right?
I'm kind of enjoying these though.
Yeah, I like them.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, I'm doing those. I'm doing the haunted ghost pepper chips in the spicy chicken. Oh my god.
I'm crying.
Yeah. Mmm. That's nice. It gives it a really good texture. And it doesn't really make it any hotter because it's already painfully hot.
All right, here you go.
Yeah, just try it. Just put a couple in there.
Whatever you say.
Just do it. Just follow me blindly.
There you go.
Yeah.
My lips are on fire. I don't think there's anything salty.
Pete's dying. I had like a sip of beer. My pain threshold for heat, spicy food is pretty high. This is something else. I don't know if you can see my eyes tearing up. I wonder if this will cool it down if I eat one of these the chips. Nope. Oh, why did I do that? All right, I think it's time for some water. Mm.
Oh.
Oh my god. It feels really good when you're drinking, but then like as soon as you stop.
Yeah.
Mmm. That's good. This is a challenge, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's. Whew.
Yeah.
Dude, you are drenched in sweat right now. Oh, I'm still going. Are you still in frame? Cause I think that people need to see this.
I don't care where I'm at.
I got a couple more bitefuls. I think I'll be okay. Oh my god. I went to Buffalo Wild Wings.
Yeah.
And they have their spiciest wing challenge. I forget what that sauce is called.
Yeah.
It's like ludicrous hot or something. I don't know. But I ordered it just to eat it, and the lady goes, she's like, yeah, people really don't get that just to eat it. Like that's more just for the challenge. I was like, just give it to me.
Yeah.
And I just like ate them.
I can see you doing
Yeah,
that.
she's like, do you want to be part of the challenge? I was like, no. I was,
Yeah, right.
I was just there to eat.
I'm
I
just
wanted some
making
food.
sure we're safe.
Very good. I was like, you're a chain restaurant. You're not going to hurt people.
Yeah.
I mean, it's going to be okay. I think I'll be okay. And she's like, okay. And she's like, asked me twice. I'm like, oh, I'm fine. I mean, they were hot, don't get me wrong. But it's something you can't handle. It's like every time I go back in, I'm like, why am I still doing this?
Yeah, you did. I thought I was going to clear mine out quick. I think the talking and slowing down got to me.
Yeah, you had to keep going.
Yeah. Oh, this is how much right here.
Oh,
Just a couple.
and I'm done. Yeah, I ate mine. That was good.
I hate my life.
It was it was a good flavor. I was so happy.
Yeah. Good flavor, good texture, lived up to the packaging. Maybe I shouldn't have made fun of the chicken thing. That chicken thing wasn't joking.
This is what Pete looks like right now.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe you need some mega power.
I need something. I think are we done?
Yeah, we're done.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're done. Get down. Yeah.
Oh. You okay?
Again, Jay, I'm gonna let this go.
Yo. It's so hot. Why would you make it that hot? Like, why? How's that a snack or a meal?